Like, it's still, oh my god, it's still wet. I'm still gonna upload it. I don't care. I don't. Like, I haven't done all of this for nothing. Well, just to save this video, I'm just gonna show you this little dress that I'm wearing. I just felt like being hella cute, thinking that my hair was gonna be cute as well, but it's not. So hi everybody, my name is Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how I felt over and over again. I tried 2 different hairstyles, you guys. The first one was with the flexi rods. It didn't work. I tried to undo it and then do it all over again. Well, the result was still the same. So right after, I decided to try to do the bantu knot, since this is something that I've never done before. But then guess what? It still didn't work. So at this point, I'm really over it. I'm just gonna show you. Just because I'm used to my hair and I know exactly what products works on it doesn't mean that I don't go through stuff like this. And mind you, this hair, it's not even like my hair at the very beginning. This is the final result. This was supposed to be hella curly, like defined curls and really nice waves everywhere, but then guess what? This is what I'm getting. So I'm just gonna show you guys how messy, yes, the word is messy, because it took me 2 days for me to achieve this result right here. Nice, right? Yes, I know. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. A for effort. Follow me on my Instagram at REY_MMDL. And now let's get onto this video. Make sure you grab also a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, just so you can, you know, be more relaxed while watching the most frustrating hair video ever. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, because I did not. In today's video, I'm gonna be using for the very first time the flexi rod sets. I have 4, so there they are. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of like nervous because I have no idea how this is gonna go. So right now my hair is clean. I just washed it. It's not dry. It's kind of like damp. As soon as I get out the shower, I like to apply the Curl Max Activator Moisturizer by Lucious Silk. You guys knew that I was going to mention this. I know already. Do my twist and then do my makeup while my hair is kind of like air drying at the same time. And I like to do that because it makes my hair very soft. So whenever I need to like manipulate my hair a lot, I like to use it because it makes the process like very smooth. And I'm gonna be using also like my spray bottle. It's just water in it. Freeze mousse that I'm gonna use is from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. So just a little bit. Make sure there's no knots. So what I'm gonna do first is actually start twisting my hair like that. And then twist it. Actually, I'm gonna apply some more mousse at the very end because I don't want my ends to be like frizzy. Just like so. And then start with the first flexi rod. Okay. I feel like it's tight enough. Yeah, my hair isn't moving. So here it is. Yes, I know it looks white, but I'm not gonna stay like that because I've tried all these products before. Definitely goes away as it dries, so no worries this time. $13 flexi rods in total. I'm gonna use this one. This, I really don't know what's the name. I'm just gonna use this plasticky thing and it's from Me Fine. So I'm just gonna plug it in and see how this thing goes. Like that. And then everything looks so funny right now. And then I have my blow dryer, so I'm just gonna turn it on. Okay, so this is my first time trying this, and it clearly works, and I'm in shock right now, and I look hella funny. So I'm gonna stay under it for a good like maybe 30 minutes and watch a show at the same time, and I will get back with you guys as soon as I feel like it's dry. Okay, bye.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, I think it's been like 30-45 minutes. No, it's not dry. Damn.
One eternity later.
I had to wait for a good like 45 minutes. I really hope that it's dry because it's getting hot. Like, I'm so frustrated right now, but I'm trying to keep my cool. I've been under the mop with a dryer for almost like an hour and 30 minutes and nothing was dry. It's like, I don't even know how to feel right now. But I'm still determined to find a way to curl my hair, so I am going to go with the bantu knots instead. And I really hope that this is gonna work, or I'm gonna lose my shit. Like, I'm tired. I had something planned in my head, expecting myself to have like popping curls and everything, and then this happens. It's just tiring. And you guys telling me that, you know, I know how to manage my hair. I wasn't expecting this, so this is what you have to go through when you have natural hair. Some stuff might work, some stuff might not. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the bantu knot, so let's just get right into it. Now I'm just going to let it air dry, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the final result.
The next day.
Alright, good morning everybody. Today is the next day. Hopefully I will get a better result than I did yesterday. The oil that I'm gonna use is the Dangerous Luster and Shine Illuminator from The Main Choice. I barely slept last night because my head was hurting. Actually, I've never really done this to my hair, so I feel like my scalp was like hurting a lot, and maybe my twists were a little bit too tight. You know what's crazy? I feel like it's not even fully dry. Like, what the hell? I don't understand. It's been what? Over 15 hours. Like, it's still, oh my god, it's still wet. What the hell? No, you know what, I'm not even gonna try to like fix it. I'm still gonna upload it. I don't care. Like, I haven't done all of this for nothing, so I'm still gonna upload this video. I'm gonna name it most frustrating hair tutorial ever. You know what, I don't care. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I just don't. I don't. I'm so over this. And that's the reason why sometimes I really don't like to try new things, because I'm like, it's not that I'm scared of trying something new, it's just that like, natural hair takes a lot of time. Like, you have to be careful, you can be rushing when you do that. So for you to put all this effort and not even come out with great results is just so frustrating. Like, you guys, thank God, honestly, is the quarantine, because if I had to go somewhere and this had happened to me, I would have been pissed. That's all I know. Well, just to save this video, I'm just gonna show you this little dress that I'm wearing. I just felt like being hella cute, thinking that my hair was gonna be cute as well, but it's not. So you guys, this is the final look. I really don't know what to tell you. I tried. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Follow me on my Instagram at REY_MMDL. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.